Hi guys, my name is Haley Benison and I am 21 years old, almost 22 next week, yay. And I'm from Raleigh, North Carolina originally. So I spent the last 4 years in Asheville, North Carolina, pursuing my undergraduate degree at the University of North Carolina at Asheville. I just received that degree a couple weeks ago, actually. So I got a BS in health and wellness promotion as well as a minor in neuroscience. My intent is to use that degree to get a master's in physician assistant studies. But I'm going to take a gap year. Well, this is my gap year in between just to get some prerequisites and some experience out of the way. Currently, I'm in Hilton Head, South Carolina. I'm working at Beaufort Memorial Hospital as a medical scribe. So that's currently what I'm doing. In the emergency room too, which is really, really exciting. I have a few pictures to show you guys, just of some friends and family and everything like that. So this first picture is my team. So I was a Division I swimmer at UNCA. This is my team. I think this picture is about 2 years old, but being a collegiate athlete was the best experience I could have ever had. I'm so thankful to have gotten the opportunity, and it's definitely my biggest hobby, swimming is. All right, so this one is just more of me and then my one of my really good friends, Carly. So I'm the blonde with the longer hair, and that's Carly. She's just one of my teammates. All right, this picture was taken at graduation. It was, I think, 2 or 3 weeks ago now. So this is my whole class. We actually started college with 12 people in our class, which for a swim team is huge. But we ended with 9. And I love these ladies to death. They're literally my best friends. So I have a younger sister and a younger brother. That's Caroline and James. Caroline's about to start school at Carolina. If you guys are familiar, it's in Chapel Hill. And then my brother has got one more year in middle school, and then he's going to move on to high school. I wanted to end things with my cat. This is Stumpy. She lives in Raleigh with my parents and my siblings. She doesn't live here with me, unfortunately. But she was a stray and we took her in. She's a great, great kitty, and I'm a huge cat person. Thank you guys for listening. I really, really appreciate it. And I look forward to getting to know all of you throughout the next 8 weeks or so. Thank you.